Again, the forecast for the Evansville tri-state area for tonight. Mostly cloudy with the chance of showers and thunderstorms until...
Effective until 2 a.m. Wednesday or 3 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois, Gibson, Perry, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson. This watch includes the following counties: large lightning damage and winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 198 has been issued from 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Wednesday or 3 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois, Gibson, Perry, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union. 198 has been issued from 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. until 2 a.m. Wednesday or 3 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois, Gibson, Perry, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union.
Days 2 through 7, Wednesday, Monday.
The Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Du Bois County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Crawford County in south-central Indiana, northern Perry County in south-central Indiana, until 8:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. At 8:11 p.m. or 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northeast of Santa Claus, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Croix, Deauville, Siberia, Uniontown, West Fort, Tazewell, Doolittle Mills, Kinnaman Corners, Sulphur, and Eckerty. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry. Crawford County in south-central Indiana, northern Perry County in south-central Indiana, until 8:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. At 8:11 p.m. or 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northeast of Santa Claus, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Croix, Indiana, Siberia, Uniontown, West Fort, Tazewell, Doolittle Mills, Kinnaman Corners, Sulphur, and Eckerty. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry.
Effective until 2 a.m. Wednesday.
7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of English, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Fork, St. Croix, Tatswell, Doolittle Mills, Sulphur, and Mifflin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana.
I'm sorry?
Indiana. Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Crawford County in south-central Indiana,
What?
northeastern Perry County in south-central Indiana, north-central Lee
Where the fuck
County
did you
in
come
central
from?
Kentucky until 9:15 p.m. or 8:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m. or 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Carefree Town, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Oh, I guess I see it, yeah.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous
It's got a
storm will be
small
near
hook
Carefree Town around
on it,
8:50
and
p.m.
it's got some
Other
decent
locations
rotation
impacted by this tornadic
over in
thunderstorm
Sulphur
include
Springs.
Moberly, Fredonia, Beechwood, White Cloud, West Fork,
Huh.
Switzer Crossroads, Sulphur, Carefree, Pilot Knob, and Kirby.
pilot knob.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Evansville tri-state area. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Crawford County in south-central Indiana, northeastern Perry County in south-central Indiana, north-central Meade County in central Kentucky until 9:15 p.m. or 8:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m. or 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Carefree Town, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carefree Town around 8:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Moberly, Fredonia, Beechwood, White Cloud, West Fork, Switzer Crossroads, Sulphur, Carefree, Pilot Knob, and Kirby. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana. Activation will again be necessary. Jefferson County in northwestern Kentucky, Union County in northwestern Kentucky, northwestern Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 1 a.m. At 12:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Uniontown to 7 miles west of Sturgis and 9 miles northwest of Rosiclare, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morganfield, Sturgis, Breckenridge Center, Corden, Robards, Waverly, and Gross. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 140 and 143. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Gallatin and Hardin, and the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson, Union, and Webster. Thursday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? All of western Kentucky. When? Through Thursday morning. South central Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky. Rivers County in northwestern Kentucky. Other northwestern Webster County in northwestern Kentucky. Additional 10 a.m. Several rounds of 12:18 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Uniontown to 7 miles west of Sturgis and 9 miles northwest of Rosiclare. Heavy rains moving at 35 miles per hour. Rainfall total expected hazards include 60 miles per hour and penny-sized hail. You should monitor the radar indicated threat. Possible warning. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Flooding develop. Locations impacted include Morganfield, Sturgis, Breckenridge Center, Corden, Western Waverly, and Gross. Northwestern McLean. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 140 and 143. 11:59 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Gallatin and Hardin, and the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson, Union, and Webster. To 40 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Thursday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night, partly cloudy.
Weather Service has
Lows
issued
around
tornado
50.
watch number 201.
Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
This watch
Friday,
includes the following
mostly
counties in Kentucky:
Highs in the
Caldwell,
upper 60s.
Christian, Crittenden,
Friday night,
Davis,
mostly
Tompkins,
clear.
Lamb, McLean,
Lows around
Newburgh,
50.
Todd,
Saturday,
Webster.
mostly sunny.
Remember,
A
a
slight
tornado
chance of
watch
showers
means the
and
conditions are
thunderstorms in the
favorable for the
afternoon.
development of severe
Highs
weather,
in the lower
including
70s.
tornadoes, large hail and
Chance of rain
damage and wind
20%.
in and close to
Saturday
the watch
night,
area.
mostly clear.
While severe weather
Lows
may not
in
be
the upper
imminent,
40s.
persons should remain
Sunday,
alert for rapidly
sunny.
changing weather
Highs
conditions
in the mid-70s.
and listen for later statements and
Sunday night,
possible warnings.
mostly clear with a slight
Stay
chance of
tuned to
showers
our
and
weather radio,
thunderstorms until
commercial
midnight.
radio, and
Then
television
partly cloudy
outlets
after
or
midnight.
internet sources for the latest
Lows in the
severe weather
mid-50s.
information.
Chance of rain
Tornado
20%.
watch number 201 has
Monday,
been issued
mostly
until 6
sunny.
a.m. for the following
A slight
counties
chance of
in
showers and
Kentucky:
thunderstorms
Caldwell,
in the
Christian,
afternoon.
Crittenden,
Highs
Davis,
around 80.
Tompkins, Lamb,
Chance of
McLean,
rain 20%.
Newburgh, Todd,
Monday
Shreveport,
night,
Webster.
partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. A chance of showers until midnight, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the
National
afternoon.
has issued a severe
Highs
thunderstorm
around 80.
warning for northern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee until
Again, the
4:45
forecast
a.m.
for the Evansville
At
tri-state
3:58
area for
a.m.
today.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Located 7
Tennessee.
miles north of Paris Landing State
A
Park,
slight chance of
moving east at
showers
30
and
miles per
thunderstorms
hour.
early this morning. Then
Expected
showers
hazards
likely and a
include
chance of
60 miles
thunderstorms
per
this
hour with
afternoon.
gusts and quarter-sized
Some
hail.
thunderstorms may
This
produce
is a
heavy rainfall.
radar-indicated threat.
humid.
The following
Highs
impacts
in
are
the mid-80s.
expected. Hail damage to
South
vehicles
winds
is
5 to
expected.
10 miles an hour.
Expect wind damage
Chance
to
of rain
roofs,
70%.
siding, and trees.
The current
Locations
time is
impacted include
3:59
Dover,
a.m.
Big
Central
Rock,
Daylight
land
Time.
between the lakes, and Indian
Looking
Mound.
at the latest weather maps,
Repeating, a
several
severe
rounds of
thunderstorm
showers
warning
and
has been issued
thunderstorms are
until
anticipated
4:45
today and
a.m. for
tonight,
the following
and each such
counties:
round will bring
Stewart,
severe weather
Tennessee.
threat. This threat peaks this afternoon and evening with a widespread winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday, a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers.
Northwest of Dover,
Highs in the
moving
upper
east at
70s.
35 miles per hour.
West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour
All
with gusts
signs
up
hail
to
and
30
60
miles an
miles per
hour.
hour wind gusts.
Chance of rain 20%.
This is a radar indicated
Thursday
threat.
night, partly cloudy
Impact.
until midnight,
People and
then
animals
becoming
outdoors will
mostly
be
clear.
injured.
Lows
Expect
in the
hail
lower
damage to
50s.
roofs, siding,
Northwest
windows,
winds
and
10 to 15
vehicles.
miles an hour.
Expect wind
Friday,
damage to roofs,
mostly sunny.
siding, and trees.
Highs in the upper 60s.
Locations impacted include
North winds 10 to 15
Big
miles
Rock,
an hour.
land between the lakes,
Friday
and
night,
Indian Mound.
mostly clear.
Repeating,
Lows
a severe
in the lower
thunderstorm
50s.
warning remains in effect
Saturday,
until 4:45 a.m. for the following
Highs
counties:
in the lower
Stewart,
70s.
Tennessee.
Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. This morning, then showers.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Thunderstorms this
Tennessee.
afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Humid. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Rock, or 10
Chance of
miles
rain
northeast of
70%.
Dover, moving east at 30
Here are
miles
the
per
4
hour.
a.m. observations for the
Hazard,
Evansville
all
tri-state region.
signs hail and 60
In
miles per hour
Evansville,
wind
under
gusts.
partly cloudy skies,
This is
it
a
was
radar
66
indicated
degrees.
threat.
Dew point was 63.
Impact.
The
People
relative
and animals
humidity
outdoors will be
90%.
injured.
Wind was calm.
Expect hail damage to
The
roofs,
pressure was
siding,
29.71
windows, and
inches and
vehicles.
steady.
Expect wind
Carolina,
damage
under
to
clear
roofs,
skies,
siding,
it was
and
66
trees.
degrees. Dew point
Locations
was
impacted
64.
include
The relative
Big Rock
humidity
and Indian
93%.
Repeating,
was calm.
a severe thunderstorm
In
warning
Anderson,
remains in
under
effect
partly
until
cloudy
4:45
skies,
a.m.
it
for
was
the following
66
counties:
degrees.
Stewart,
Dew point
Tennessee.
64. The relative humidity was 93%. Of 62. It was clear, with a temperature of 54 at Champaign-Urbana, 58 at St. Louis, and 66 at Cape Girardeau, Missouri. At Bowling Green, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 75.
Thunderstorm warning for
The
southwestern
current time
Christian
is
County, Kentucky,
4:53
southeastern
a.m.
Tree
Central
County,
Daylight
Kentucky,
Time.
until 5:15 a.m.
Looking at the latest weather
At
maps,
4:52
several
a.m.,
rounds
a
of
severe
showers and
thunderstorm was
thunderstorms are
located near
anticipated
Big Rock,
today and
or
tonight,
13
and
miles
each such
north
round
of
will bring
Dover,
a severe
moving
weather
east
threat.
at 35 miles
This
per hour.
threat peaks this afternoon and
Expected
evening
hazards
with a
include
widespread,
60 miles per
significant
hour
severe
with
weather
gusts and
outbreak is
quarter-size
expected.
hail.
All
This
severe
is a radar
hazards will be in
indicated
play,
threat.
in addition to flooding
The
rain
following
and
impacts
frequent
are
deadly
expected.
lightning.
Hail damage to
It will
vehicles
remain
is
very warm
expected.
and muggy today, with
Expect
highs in
wind
the lower
damage
to
to
middle
roofs,
80s. But
siding,
after
and
this
trees.
powerful storm system finally
Locations
completes
impacted
its passage,
include
you can
Lafayette
expect a
area.
transition to a
This
refreshingly
includes
cooler and
Interstate
drier
24
air
in
mass with
Kentucky
much
and
lower
mile marker
humidity.
77.
Highs in the upper
Repeating,
60s
a
to lower
severe
70s.
thunderstorm
Friday
warning
will
has
live in
been
the
issued
70s with
until
low
5:15
humidity right
a.m.
through
for
the
the following
entirety of the
counties
weekend,
in
while
Kentucky,
muggy lows in the
Christian, and
60s
Phoenix.
tonight fall through the 50s by week's end. Now for the official with a slight chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers until midnight, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the
warning
afternoon.
for southeastern
Highs
Livingston
around
County,
80.
Kentucky, northwestern Marshall County,
20%.
Kentucky, northwestern
Again,
Lyon
the
County,
forecast
Kentucky,
for the
until
Evansville
8:45
tri-state area
a.m.
for today,
At
mostly sunny.
7:57 a.m.,
A slight
a severe
chance of
thunderstorm
showers
was
and
located
thunderstorms
near
this
Calvert
morning,
City,
then showers
moving
likely
northeast
and a
at
chance of
35 miles
thunderstorms this
per hour.
afternoon.
Expected
Some
hazards
thunderstorms
include
may
60
produce
miles
heavy
per
rainfall.
hour with gusts and nickel
Severe
sized
thunderstorm warning.
This is a radar
South winds
Kentucky.
5 to 10 miles an hour.
The following impacts
Chance
are
of rain
expected.
70%.
Expect damage to roofs,
The
siding,
current time
and
is
trees.
7:59
Locations
a.m.
impacted
Central Daylight
include
Time.
Calvert City, Eddyville,
Looking at the
Leadville,
latest weather
Tacoma,
maps,
Grand
several
Rivers,
rounds of
and
showers
Smithland.
and thunderstorms are
This
anticipated
includes the
today and
following
tonight,
highways.
and each such
Interstate
route will bring
24 in
severe
Kentucky
weather
at
threats.
3-mile markers 18
This
and
threat
40.
peaks this afternoon and evening
Interstate
with a
69 in
widespread,
Kentucky
significant
16-mile
severe
markers
weather
49
outbreak
and
is
51.
expected. All
Repeating,
severe
a
hazards will
severe
be in play,
thunderstorm
in
warning has
addition
been
to
issued
flooding
until
rains and
8:45
deadly
a.m. for the
lightning.
following counties:
It will remain
Kentucky,
very warm and muggy
Livingston,
today,
Lyon,
with
and
highs in the
Marshall.
lower to middle 80s. But after this powerful storm system finally completes, Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Monday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Highs
in the upper 70s.
issued a severe
Chance
thunderstorm
of rain,
warning for
30%.
southern Crittenden County,
Monday night,
Kentucky,
partly cloudy
northeastern
with a
Livingston
slight
County,
chance of
Kentucky,
thunderstorms.
northwestern Caldwell
A chance
County,
of showers
Kentucky,
until
northwestern
midnight,
Lyon
then a
County,
slight chance of
Kentucky,
showers
until
after midnight.
9:15 a.m.
Lows in the upper 50s.
4 a.m. Severe thunderstorm.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Extending from
Kentucky.
60 miles northeast of
A
Lebanon
slight
near
chance of
Eddyville,
showers
moving
and
northeast at
thunderstorms
30
in the
miles
morning,
per hour.
then a chance of showers and
Expected
thunderstorms
hazards
in the
include
afternoon.
60 miles per hour with
Highs
gusts
around
and penny-sized hail.
Chance of rain,
Severe
40%.
weather has been confirmed by
Again,
train
the
spotters.
forecast for the Evansville
Trees were
tri-state
reported
area
down in
for
the
today,
Calvert City
mostly
area with
sunny.
this line of storms.
A slight chance of
The
showers
following
and
effects are
thunderstorms this morning,
expected.
then
Expect
showers
damage
likely
to
and a
roofs,
chance of thunderstorms
siding,
this
and trees.
afternoon.
Locations
Some
of hazard
thunderstorms may
include
produce
Marion,
heavy rainfall.
Salem, Fredonia,
Highs
and
in the
Gettysburg.
mid-80s.
Repeating,
South
a
winds 5
severe
to 10
thunderstorm
miles an
warning
hour.
has been issued until
Chance of rain
9:15 a.m. for the
70%.
following counties in Kentucky:
Here are the 8 a.m.
Caldwell,
observations for the
Crittenden,
Evansville
Livingston, and
tri-state
Lyon.
region. At Evansville, it was sunny, temperature at peaks this afternoon and evening, with a widespread, significant severe weather outbreak is expected. All severe hazards will be in play, in addition to flooding rains and frequent deadly lightning. It will remain very warm and muggy today, with highs in the lower to middle 80s, but after this powerful storm system finally completes its passage, you can expect a transition to a refreshingly cooler and drier air mass with much lower humidity.
35 a.m.
Highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s, Friday will be in the 70s with low humidity right through the entirety of the weekend, while muggy lows in the 60s tonight fall
Flash
through the
flooding is
50s by
ongoing
week's
or
end.
expected to begin shortly.
Now for the official
Expected
National Weather
hazards
Service
include flash
forecast
flooding
for the
caused by
Evansville
thunderstorms.
Flash flood
tri-state
warning.
area. Today,
Source:
Tennessee.
Radar.
a
The
slight
following
chance of
effects are
showers and
expected:
thunderstorms
flash
this
flooding
morning,
of
then
small
showers
creeks and
likely with a
streams,
chance of
urban
thunderstorms
areas,
this
highways,
afternoon.
streets, and
Some
underpasses, as
thunderstorms
well as
may
other
produce
poor
heavy
drainage
rainfall.
and low-lying areas.
Highs in the mid-80s.
Some locations that will
South winds
experience
5 to
flash
10
flooding
miles an
include
hour.
Clarksville,
Chance of
Dover,
rain
Big Rock,
70%.
Woodlawn,
Tonight,
Indian Mount, and land
showers and
between the lakes.
thunderstorms until midnight.
Repeating,
Then
a
showers
flash
likely
flood
with a
warning
chance
has
of
been issued
thunderstorms
until
after midnight.
11:45 a.m. for the
Some
following counties:
thunderstorms may
in
produce
Tennessee,
heavy rainfall
Montgomery,
until
and
midnight.
Stewart.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall after midnight.